Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video to try to help somebody last night about contour, and she mentioned balloons, and then I started thinking the contour I did was already on a vector one-line object, and this is a two-line object, so contouring just doesn't work because it's going to contour both lines. There is a way to get around that. You can break the contour apart and take out those intersections, but you don't want to do that, and even if you have it filled in and you contour, you still get that double effect. So with, well, I could have left that contour window open, but with this selected, your weld tools don't show up, so that's your given. So what I would do is left click no fill, go to arrange and break the curve apart. And then immediately you see your weld tools come up. And then just create a boundary. And the boundary just went on the outside. So let's move that out of the way for a second. Let's open the contour docker back open. And like I said last night, this is red, so let's change it to black just so we can see it. And it contoured to the outside. Now go to arrange, break contour apart, and grab the inside one, and you can see it's red, and you can just hit delete. Now you can make this contour red, just so you'll know it's a cut line, and then move it back over. So now you have a cut shape of the entire item, and you can make that thickness whatever you like. And if you notice here, if you're a little particular, the balloon itself had a little bad spot in it, so your contour is going to have that little bad spot in it. So let's do this again. Let's move this out of the way. Let's just delete it. And if you ever see that happening, just grab your shape tool and just take those nodes out. And there might be some other ones, but for the video, that's probably good enough. You got a little bit of a rough spot there. Let's just take those nodes out. And as long as it doesn't change the shape, we're good to go. So we'll select it all, grab our boundary tool, move it out of the way, contour it in black, go up to arrange, break contour apart, grab the inside and hit delete. Turn this red just so we can see it's a hairline. And now you have a contour, and you can have that any size, and now you've got a much cleaner shape. I would actually maybe could have fixed this too. So if you ever see anything like that, just back up and fix that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.